Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you're gonna see how to check someone's likes on Instagram. So to do that, let's head over to your Instagram application. Once you're there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to the Reels, or here you can find the likes count. Tap on that and here you will find all the people who have liked this reel and search for your friends from your list. If you find them in here, you can know that they have liked this reel. And then there's another way that you can know that there will be bubbles flowing in the bottom left corner. The person who have liked the reel, then from that you can also know that they have liked this reel. And the third one is there is a option in here that shows that this person showing their Instagram username and then they have like this thread. So yeah, these are the three ways you can know or check someone's likes on Instagram. Hope this video will help you out and we'll see you in the next video.